Tia, and welcome to my DIY channel, Urban Muse. And today we're going to DIY a Christmas gift, or you can even call this a Christmas Eve box, which is something I just learned about today, but it's about to be my new tradition. And so this video was inspired by my trip to the Target dollar spot, which we all know is not $1, but I still love them and they still get my coins. While I was there, I found a lot of great things that gave me the idea of like, wow, you can make a lot of Christmas gifts for the low just shopping here at Target in the dollar spot. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is that I bought, and then towards the end of the video we are going to assemble it together. Also, a disclaimer is that I did get a few items outside of the dollar spot just because I wanted this to be a bigger box, but everything that I did get you can also find in the dollar section, just at a smaller capacity. So let's get on with the video. All right, you guys, we're going to hop into my Target basket to see what I got. But first we'll start off with the things that I did find in the Target dollar spot, and then we'll move on to the things that I did not. So the first thing that I did find was this cute mug. It says Mrs. Claus, and I think it says Made with Love Cookie Company. I thought this was so cute, and it is what sparked my idea to do like a hot chocolate themed gift box. But again, you can really just use whatever. I just thought this was really cute. And then as I was moving along, I found these two soaps. Let's see, one's lavender scented and this one is shea butter. Ooh, they do smell good, and these were only $3. So I got two of these. I thought these can be kind of nice. You know, I'm a more of a relaxed kind of girl, so Christmas Eve I do like to bake cookies and stuff, but at the end of the day I wouldn't mind sipping on some hot chocolate in the tub. And then I got these cute socks, which were also $3. I did end up getting the wrong size, so I'll probably give these to my nephew, but I thought these were so adorable. And again, these would be great if I get out the bathtub, put on some cozy socks. And then while I'm in the tub, I can also sit candle side. This one is Gingerbread House. It does smell like cinnamon. I don't know if I say gingerbread house, but it does smell really good. This also came in multiple colors. I got green because I didn't want to get too much red, but it smells really good. And then I grabbed this super cute little ornament. This guy was $5. Yeah, and I just wanted something a little different to put inside. This would be cute to put on the Christmas tree on Christmas Eve. And then it also brought some different color because again, I didn't want all red, and I thought this would be a cute little addition. And then I grabbed these two bags, which were $1. And so I thought these would be awesome to put the hot chocolate and the marshmallows in, instead of just throwing inside the Ghirardelli chocolate and the marshmallows into the bag, decorating it a little bit. So we got that. And then I got this cute little gift tag. This guy was $1, and in the back it does come with string. And I'm hoping to put this on the front, although I don't know if it'll go now, but we'll see. Also it does, let's see. Yeah, it does kind of go with the bag, so I mean, I guess we could use it, but we'll see. And then I also got this piece of pine strip. It says glitter pine pick. And what I was thinking was maybe cutting off some pieces and putting it inside of the box to decorate, but I could also even break off a piece and maybe decorate the outside of the box. So we'll see about that as well as we decorate together. Okay, so now we're gonna move into the parts that were outside of the Target dollar spot. So first off, I got this box, and I did wrap it because, as you can see, they didn't have any like plain white boxes. It was actually a sport themed box, and so I'll show you guys how I wrapped it later. But I bought this box because it was big and I needed something bigger than what they had in the Target dollar spot. They had a wine box, which was a bit smaller than that, and it also came in like a light natural wood, which I really loved, but it just was too small for what I was going for. And it did also come with paper. I had to buy these separately inside the wine box, and I think that was like $3. So if that's something you're interested in, I would get it. It wouldn't necessarily make a gift box, more like a gift basket, but to each his own. And then I also came across these hot chocolates. I was so happy. They were only 94 cents for Ghirardelli, which is so good, and it's double chocolate. So I tried this if you haven't tried these before. Super good, super sweet. And of course, I had to get mini marshmallows. These were $1.29. I guess that's, you know, a good price for marshmallows. I don't eat marshmallows, but it was in our price range. And then lastly, I got tissue paper, and of course it's Christmas themed colors. I'll probably be using the white, maybe the red. Again, I don't want to overdo it with the red. I feel like it can get super easy to saturate your Christmas gifts with a lot of red. So that's it for that. And now we're gonna move on to assembling our gift box.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on. Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things a certain glow, a secret in a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very...
All right, you guys, we are now done with this Christmas gift, and I have to say that I do love it. I may or I may not put it underneath the tree for myself to open up on Christmas Eve, but don't nobody gotta know that I put it down there for myself. Anyways, I hope that this video provided you some inspiration, or at least gave you an idea for a quick and inexpensive gift option. If you liked this video, please give it a like, and if you loved it, then why not subscribe for more easy DIYs? Also, have a happy holidays. Ooh, and in the comment section, let me know what you might DIY for Christmas, whether it's a Christmas gift, Christmas Eve box, or maybe whatever you might purchase. All right, see you in the next video.